Here's 5 array functions in JavaScript you'd forgotten were a thing, or have never even used. You can create an array of blank indexes by passing a single number to an array. The indexes are left filled with undefined. Also, you can .fill the array with a value, which could be useful in initializing a user profile. You can pass in the starting and the end before indexes as well for more control. Array.from lets you turn an iterable array-like object into an array. It works on strings, the arguments passed to a function, a set, or the values from a map. Also, there's the .every and .sum functions. Pass them a function that returns a boolean. Every returns a true if all of the elements return true. Sum comes back true if any of the elements return true. They're like and or for an entire array. Last, you can pick apart an array, give the elements variable names, and leave the rest in a new array. You might use it to create a most popular list on a page. Pull the top 4 items out, and then get the length of the array to show how many more items there are.